Barney 512, maintain your slowest practical airspace. Just be advised, there's a fire alarm going off at Phoenix Tracon, so you can expect holding instructions at Stanfield, unless you wanted to eventually cancel IFR and proceed VFR, but you can expect no services into Phoenix approach.
Barney 512, slowing down to 100 knots.
Oxford 6398, same for you. Lowest practical airspeed until advised. Phoenix Tracon is currently closed. Once you get to Stanfield, expect holding instructions, or you can cancel IFR once you get there.
For practical speed, expecting holding instructions at Stanfield, Oxford 6398.
Oxford 6398, I'm sorry I had to go offline. I missed your response if you had any.
For practical speed, expecting hold at Stanfield, Oxford 6398.
Oxford 6398, roger, thank you.
Approach 78 in a row, Papa 5,400 for 5,500.
77 Romeo passing approach, maintain VFR at or below 4,500, unable Bravo transition, we're going AT20.
Okay, VFR at or below 4,500, I'm going to turn around and start descending.
Number 7 Romeo Bravo, yeah that's fine, remain outside of Bravo airspace.
Roger that, 77 Romeo Papa.
Central aircraft, due to possible fire emergency, Albuquerque Center will be assuming responsibility for radar services within Phoenix Tracon's airspace. 7 Romeo Papa has left Bravo airspace, radar service terminates squawk VFR, frequency crew, sorry about that.
You're alright, 1200 for 77 Romeo Papa.
Attention all aircraft, due to a fire emergency, Albuquerque Center will be assuming responsibility for radar services within the Phoenix Tracon airspace. If you need to contact Albuquerque Center, you can do so. The frequency will be 125.4. For radar services in the Phoenix terminal area, contact Albuquerque Center 125.4 for at least the next 90 minutes.
733X, so just be advised, we do have a fire alarm going off at Phoenix Tracon right now. So unless, if they do have to evacuate the building and go AT20, you can expect me to terminate your services 12 o'clock in about 5 miles. So no services through the Bravo over Phoenix.
Okay, understood. We're planning on overflying the whole Bravo at 10,500. If that's going to be the case, do you think it's going to be more advisable to just head all the way outside the lateral boundary of it, or should 10.5 still be okay up there?
Number 733X, yeah, I cannot give you a clearance through the Bravo, so you would have to remain clear of the Bravo, because I will have to terminate services, radar services. So unless, if they come back to me and they tell me that they are still there and working, I'm happy to let you talk to them and they'll clear you to the Bravo, but if they are evacuated, you would have to go around it.
Okay, yeah, sounds good. Just keep us informed, and right now we'll plan on our route here would kind of overfly Sky Harbor 10,500, and let us know if any reason that we can't be doing that.
Number 733X, roger.
Southwest 2673, still on?
2673, say again?
Southwest 2673, we tried calling your operations, but we can't get a hold of anybody. If you could pass the word, we've got the tower's going to evacuate. We got a fire alarm going off.
Okay, yeah, we'll call our ops and let them know and tell them to pass the word.
Appreciate it. Got a fire alarm going off. We're getting ready to evacuate, trying to get everybody on the ground.
Albuquerque, good evening, French flight 4183, 27-8, descending 240, slowest practical.
Frontier Flight 4183, Albuquerque Center, expect holding instructions here in a few minutes.
Roger.
Attention all the aircraft, due to a fire alarm emergency at the Phoenix Approach Control Facility, Albuquerque Center will be assuming our responsibility for radar services within our Phoenix Tracon's airspace. Speedbird, 900 Charlie Golf Heavy, turn right heading 230, intercept the localizer runway 26.
Right heading 230, intercept localizer runway 236, Speedbird 9 Charlie Golf.
American 3046, contact tower 118.7.
18-7, American 3046.
Speedbird 9 Charlie Golf Heavy, 3 miles from Jackal. Maintain 4,000 till established on localizer. Cleared ILS runway 26 approach.
Maintain 4,000 till established on the localizer. We'll go Speedbird 9 Charlie Golf Heavy. Thank you.
Speedbird 9 Charlie Golf Heavy, reduce speed to 160 or less, please, for sequencing. Contact tower 118.7.
Reducing speed now 1187 Speedbird 9 Charlie Golf Heavy.
American 1541, contact Albuquerque Center now, 128.45. We'll talk to you in a bit.
1541.
Conventional aircraft, due to a fire emergency, Albuquerque Center is assuming responsibility for radar services within Phoenix Tricon's airspace. Instruct aircraft to contact, or question all aircraft on frequency contact Albuquerque Center 128.45.
Tower Alaska 662, should we try to call ramp or just hang out here where we're at?
Alaska 662, when you're ready to go, just use the CTAF frequency of 120.9er.
We'll do it.
Conventional aircraft, due to a fire emergency, Albuquerque Center will be assuming responsibility for radar services within Phoenix Tracon's airspace. If you need to attempt Albuquerque Center multiple frequencies, you can do 127.67 or 132.9er. Try those two first.
November 733 X-ray, yeah, it looks like Phoenix approach is ATC 0, so you can expect to terminate services here in about 8 minutes.
Okay, understood. November 733 X-ray. Just want to be clear, 10,500 over the Bravo is not going to present any particular issues for you.
733 X-ray, once again, sir, that's not my airspace. You will be maintaining VFRs. You have to comply with whatever restrictions you have to go through a Bravo. I do not know what those are.
Understood. 733 X-ray, just checking.
Gus 4990, then you'll taxi via Foxtrot 6, cross 25 right, Echo Tango. Call the ramp, the American ramp, for your instructions. They will get you in there. We are evacuating.
All right, Foxtrot 6, cross 25 right, Echo Tango, Charlie, contact the ramp. Hope you guys are staying safe up there.
Speedbird 9 Charlie Golf Heavy. On Bravo, contact the ramp on 125.57, and they'll let you know when they can get you in. The tower is getting ready to evacuate.
Okay, we'll contact 125.57, Speedbird 9 Charlie Golf.
Central aircraft, Phoenix Tower is now ATC 0, common traffic advisory frequency 120.9er.
Phoenix traffic, Skywest 4990 crossing 25 right, Foxtrot 6, Phoenix.
Phoenix traffic, Alaska 662 on Charlie, making a right turn on Sierra, Phoenix.
Phoenix traffic, Skywest 4990 clear of 25 right on Echo, Phoenix traffic.